scene script. Have you ever wondered how Endoed phones are made? The birth of a new Endoed phone begins not with materials or machinery, but with a single potent seed, an idea. It's in this intangible realm of thoughts and possibilities where our journey commences. Imagine a group of creative minds gathered around a table, armed with nothing but their knowledge, experience, and a shared passion for innovation. This is where the magic happens. They're not just designing a phone, they're crafting an experience, a tool that will become an integral part of people's lives. But how do these creators know what people want in their phones? Well, that's where market research enters the scene. It's a powerful tool that helps the team understand the needs, preferences, and desires of potential users. Surveys, interviews, focus groups, and even social media trends are analyzed to gather valuable insights. It's like having a direct line to the customer's mind, allowing the team to design a product that's truly user-centric. Once a clear understanding of what the market wants is established, the design team gets to work. They brainstorm, sketch, argue, and dream. They explore cutting-edge technologies, consider aesthetic trends, and even challenge the very notion of what a phone can be. Every button placement, every curve, every feature is meticulously thought out. It's a process of creation and evolution, driven by a relentless pursuit of perfection. But it's not just about the phone's physical design. Equally important is the user interface, the digital landscape that users will navigate. Designing this requires a deep understanding of human behavior, ergonomics, and digital trends. It's about creating an intuitive, seamless experience that makes technology feel like second nature. Once the blueprint of the phone is complete, with all its innovative features and unique designs, it's time for the next phase. The design is frozen, the idea is ready. It's a moment of anticipation, of excitement, of potential. It's the moment where the idea, born in the minds of the design team, is ready to be brought to life. With the idea and design in place, it's time to turn the concept into reality. The heart of any phone is its hardware, and Endoed phones are no different. The journey of creating an Endoed phone begins with a meticulous process of sourcing high-quality components. Each part, be it the processor, battery, camera, or others, contributes to the overall performance and user experience of the phone. Our team scours the globe to find the best components, ensuring that they meet our stringent quality standards. Let's start with the brain of the phone, the processor. The processor is what determines the speed and efficiency of the phone. When selecting a processor, we look for one that is not just powerful, but also energy efficient. This ensures that the phone operates smoothly, even when running the most demanding apps, while also maximizing battery life. Next, we focus on the battery. Battery life is a critical aspect of any phone. We opt for a high-capacity battery that can last all day, even with heavy use, but we also make sure it's safe, reliable, and charges quickly. The camera is another crucial component. A good camera can make or break a phone in today's social media-driven world. We source high-quality lenses and sensors and work with top-notch software to ensure that your photos and videos always look their best. Other components, like the display, memory, and storage, are chosen with the same meticulous attention to detail. We ensure they offer the right balance of performance, durability, and cost-effectiveness. Once all the parts are sourced, it's time for assembly. This is a process that requires precision and care. Each component is carefully placed and connected, ensuring that everything fits perfectly and works seamlessly. Our team of skilled engineers and technicians work diligently, turning a collection of components into a sleek, high-performing Endoed phone. But this is not the end. Once the hardware is assembled, it undergoes rigorous testing to ensure that it meets our high standards of performance and reliability. With the hardware assembled, it's time to breathe life into the phone. But what's a phone without its software? Indeed, the hardware, no matter how advanced, would be a mere shell without the genius of software to bring it to life. Creating the software for the Endoed phone is a meticulous process that begins with the development of the operating system. This is the backbone of the phone, the unseen force that governs everything from the moment you press the power button. It manages all the phone's resources and provides the framework within which all other software operates. The operating system for Endoed Phones is a masterpiece of engineering, designed to provide a fast, smooth, and intuitive user experience. It's crafted by a team of software engineers who pour their expertise and creativity into making an OS that's both powerful and user-friendly. Next, we dive into the world of apps. These are the tools that transform the phone from a simple communication device into a versatile assistant that can do everything from guiding you to your destination to helping you cook dinner. Developing these apps involves a deep understanding of what users need and how they interact with their phones. Each app is a product of countless hours of coding, testing, and refining, all aimed at ensuring that it's as intuitive, efficient, and reliable as possible. The software engineers work closely with the hardware team to ensure seamless integration between the two, resulting in a smooth user experience that's a hallmark of Endoed Phones. But it's not just about creating new apps. The software team also spends a significant amount of time updating and improving existing apps, constantly striving to make them better, faster, and more secure. They also work on updates for the operating system, introducing new features and improvements to keep the phone feeling fresh and up to date. So, you see, the software of the Endoed Phone is a living, evolving entity. It's a testament to the skill, dedication, and creativity of the software engineers who breathe life into the phone's hardware with their code. With the software ready, the phone is almost ready for the world. The next step? Rigorous testing to ensure that the Endoed Phone is as perfect as it can be. But that's a tale for another scene. Before hitting the market, every Endoed Phone has to pass a series of rigorous tests. This isn't just a statement, it's a commitment to quality and durability that Endoed makes to its users. Imagine a drop test, where the phone is subjected to countless falls, mimicking all those instances when it might slip out of your hand. The aim isn't to make it indestructible, but to ensure it can withstand the everyday accidents that are all too common. Then comes the water resistance tests. Ever had your phone ruined by an unexpected downpour or an accidental plunge in a pool? Well, Endoed Phones are tested to endure such accidents. They are dunked in water, left there for a while, and then checked to ensure they're still functioning perfectly. But it's not just the hardware that's put through its paces. The software is stress tested too. Multiple apps are opened, run, and switched between, all at lightning speed. This is to guarantee that the phone can handle the multitasking demands of today's fast-paced world without any hiccups. And of course, what's a phone without a reliable battery? So battery life tests are conducted. The phone is used continuously, running various applications, making calls, browsing the web until the battery drains out. The aim is to ensure that the phone can last a full day on a single charge under normal usage conditions. These tests are not just procedures. They are an integral part of the phone's journey from concept to reality. They ensure that each Endoed Phone you hold in your hand is not just another device, but a reliable companion that can endure the rigors of daily life. Every stage of testing is a promise of reliability, of durability, of quality. It's a promise that every Endoed Phone is not just designed to impress, but built to last. Once the phone passes these tests, it's ready for production and ready to become a part of your everyday life. So when you choose Endoed, you're not just choosing a phone, you're choosing a commitment to quality. Finally, it's time to mass produce and distribute the Endoed Phones. Once all the rigorous testing has been completed and the Endoed Phone has passed with flying colors, it's time to kick the production into high gear. The process of mass production is a marvel of modern engineering and efficiency. Each Endoed Phone is individually assembled with precision and care. Think of it as a symphony of humans and machines working in perfect harmony. The assembly line functions with the precision of a well-rehearsed orchestra, where each instrument plays its part to perfection. The components, meticulously engineered in the previous stages, come together to form the final product. Once the assembly is complete, each phone undergoes a final round of quality checks. We want to ensure that every single Endoed Phone that rolls off the assembly line is nothing short of perfect. The next stage is packaging. Each phone is carefully packaged with all its accessories, including the charger, user manual, and other add-ons. The packaging is not just about protection during transit, It's also about the unboxing experience for the end consumer. Once packaged, the phones are prepared for shipping. They are transported from the factory to warehouses across the globe, ready to be dispatched to retail stores. It's akin to the migration of birds, a journey that begins at the factory and ends in your hands. The distribution process is a massive operation in itself. From the warehouses, the phones make their way to retail stores worldwide. It's not just about getting the phones from point A to point B. It's about ensuring they reach the right place at the right time. This journey, from an idea to a tangible product that you can hold in your hands, is a testament to the ingenuity, dedication, and hard work of countless individuals. And that's how an Endoed phone is made, from idea to your hands.